Hello guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films. Our last tutorial we talked about how to set up Ronin, the 3 axes, how to set it up properly so that I don't have a shaky shot. Today we'll be talking about how to record video, a dynamic way of using Ronin, and you still maintain your focus, you still maintain your framing, and you'll be creative with your movements. So stay with me. We'll be showing you some practical tutorials how to use this Ronin in a dynamic way. And if you've not subscribed on my channel, hit the subscribe button because I'll be bringing a lot of tutorials how to use DaVinci, easy way to use DaVinci. You learn DaVinci within 3 minutes, how to use it, how to set it up, how to customize it to fit the project you're doing, and a lot of tutorials. Dynamic drone flying, hit the subscribe button. There's a lot of tutorials coming your way, more rigs, more gears, more cameras review will be coming your way very soon. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, our subject is in focus right now, but just watch what happens when we move. We move. Still. Okay, when we come close to our subject, it goes out of focus. So we have to really change the camera settings to fit in this, because you are not using a follow focus and you don't have a follow focus puller. So you need to make do with what you have by tweaking some settings. So let me show you how to tweak the settings. For you'll be changing a whole lot of settings. Your aperture, you have to take it up so at least, let's leave it on 11. Then your shutter, you have to bring it down. Let's bring our shutter speed to, let's leave it on 50. Then your white balance, we do a little bit of compensation to that. So you take your you take your ISO, sorry, you take it up a bit, take it to at least, it's outdoor, let's leave it on 200. Okay, you hit that button. So let's go focus. Let's clean up the focus and move and see what happens from there. Let's clean up. It's all clean. It's all clean. Okay, let's record some. Okay, let's move. You notice he's still on focus. Even while I was close to him, he's still on focus. You can see it compared to the first video you watched. So when we pull back, still have him on focus. So the trick to this shot is by closing your f-stop, that is increasing the aperture number to 11. Then using your ISO to gain more light and your shutter. So you have the person in focus, though you will lose a little bit of details compared to when you're using a full focus. But with this, for a low budget setup, I think this is just what you need to do. Okay, you've seen the two videos, the one I did with the normal setup and the one I have to do some tweak on it. The trick is the aperture. You have to close it up by increasing the number to 11 depending on the light source you have. So if you have a very high light source, you can take it up, but if you're not sure of your lighting, use between 8 to 11. Clean up the object before you start recording and you'll be good to go. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe on my channel for more tutorials coming your way. More advanced tutorial will be coming very soon. Just keep watching, stay tuned. Thank you.